How can you invest with no money? After watching my last video about investing, a subscriber called Tom asked me that exact question. He told me that he was excited to start investing, but he wasn't sure if he could as he didn't have a lot of spare cash. I explained to him that it was possible to start with no money, as investing just means owning something that can grow in value over time. I then gave him 5 methods he could use to gain money and stress the importance of trying each method before moving on to the next. Today I'm going to share those 5 methods with you in the hopes of helping out more people just like Tom. Method 1: a bank loan. I'm just kidding. Banks might have been helpful when I was younger, but times have definitely changed. Method 1 is actually friends and family. In 1995, a 24-year-old founded a company called Zip2 with a $28,000 investment from his father. The business was later sold for $307 million. This was Elon Musk's first company, and now he's one of the richest people on the planet. If you want to do the same, then you need to be very clear on how much money you need and what you want to invest the money in. You could develop software, build an agency, buy stocks and shares, purchase real estate. The list goes on and on. You just need to be reasonably confident that the thing you choose to invest in will go up in value over time. Now, I'm aware that not everyone has access to this kind of money. However, it is very different than asking for a handout. In fact, you shouldn't even think about it like this, because if you do, then you won't be convincing. Instead, when you talk about your plans, you need to present it as an exciting opportunity to be part of something you want to give the impression that you're doing them a favor rather than the other way around. But this can come with complications if you don't do it correctly. That's why you need to follow these 3 golden rules. Rule 1: explain the risks. They need to be aware there is a chance that they'll lose their entire investment, even if this seems impossible to you. Rule 2: sign a contract even if you never intend on enforcing it. It can be a great reference point if you get into any future disagreements. Rule 3: keep them updated. You should set a meeting every quarter to discuss how everything is going. This keeps everyone in the loop and can actually lead to further funding in the future. I'd give this a 1 out of 5 for speed, because you don't have to spend a lot of time vetting investors, and a 1 out of 5 for risks, as this can be low if all the rules are followed. Method 2: joint ventures. My friend Jack Wicks has bought over $5 million worth of properties with other people's money using the joint venture method. You see, he finds amazing real estate deals, and his business, the social housing group, invests money to buy these properties and then gives them a fixed return on their money. The reality is, there's a lot of money out there. However, the people that have it are usually limited on time. That's where you come in. Maybe you want to invest in real estate, or even start some kind of business. They put the money in and you put the time in. If you find the right combination, then it can be a match made in heaven. Here are my golden rules. Rule 1: have complementary skills. This way you can avoid spending hours learning what someone else has done for years and vice versa. Rule 2: ensure you have shared values. There's a saying that goes something like this: the worst ship to ever sell is a partnership. If you pick a joint venture partner that has completely different values to you, then you're in for some choppy waters. Rule 3: discuss contingencies. The only constant in this world is change, so it's very important to discuss the what-ifs with your joint venture partner. I'd give this method a 3 for speed, as it can take quite a while to find the right partner, and a 2.5 for a risk, as you're in control and ultimately you're only going to lose your time if things go wrong. Now, I understand a lot of you want to get started investing in the stock market but feel like it's difficult to do so. But what if I was to tell you you could deposit as little as $100 into an investing account and, for signing up, receive 5 free stocks and a $50 cash reward. I know it might sound too good to be true, but this is what Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, is actually offering you. One of the things I really love is the demo account they offer. This allows you to learn about the stock market by investing fake money so you can get familiar with the market's real data without risking any money when you're ready to use real money. A great free feature Moomoo offers is analyst ratings, as it allows you to follow top analysts' investments and even displays their win rates and investment returns, like Daniel Lives, who achieved an 86 win rate and 37.8 return on Apple. So if you're